Hello, welcome back to Rag Guy Vids. I'm going to make another video. I haven't been uploading in a while, but today I'm going to show. This is part two on how to make a Scratch racing game. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, what we're going to do first is that we're gonna do like menu stuff, like you hit play and it takes you to the map. But first we're gonna like do some changes, like first of all like with turning, because if you watched the first video, you saw that the car doesn't like turn when you go different directions. There is a fix to that. However, so basically, you're going to grab the turn block on the for the A and D basically, and I'm gonna set it to like I think wait a minute, I'm not sure if this is right, but it's like something with like 8 degrees or -8 degrees. I'm just gonna check safety's turn opposite direction. Actually, I think this is right. Yeah, okay. Now there's one issue, however, that it is turning. It just turns like that. Yeah, yeah, it's really, yeah, it's a weird fix, but for now, I'll just keep it like this. I'm gonna go fix it later, but yeah. Anyways, what we're gonna do is that, we're going to, first of all, like, make some edits to the map, I feel like. This is not a great map. I'm just gonna name this player also. But, yeah, I'll make it a little better here. I'll make it better because when I first made the first video, it was like not great. I'll just make it better, to be honest. I don't need to have extra turns. Okay, I'm just gonna shrink this, and then okay, I'm just gonna wide this. This is really wide, but I don't care. Shrink it here. Um. Okay. Okay, almost have it, and then oh, oops. Hold on, fix that. And there. That's our map for now. Okay. So now the next step what we're gonna do is that we're gonna make like a menu. So here we're going to make a new backdrop. I'm just gonna name this title screen because that's what I named it, Scratch Cart. And then what we're gonna do is that we're going to so we're just gonna say like title. So okay, I'm just going to get I'll just do green like I did in Scratch Cart. Then I'm just gonna do Scratch Cart. This is not big enough. I feel like this is. Oops. Hold up. Okay, let's stretch this out a little because this is not like big. Like this is too big actually now. Alright, so yeah, let's shrink it a little until we get to the perfect size. Okay, it's getting a little weird. Oh, what the heck? I'm in here. Here. Wait, let me flip it. Wait. Oh, you know what? That's weird. Whatever. Here. Let's fix here. Let's forget about that. Whatever. Let's just type a new one. Because I cannot type right now. Okay. Stretch it out. Not that big, but okay. There we go. So now what we're gonna want to do is that we're gonna add like a play button. So here, actually, you know what? Let's just name this tutorial card. Actually, I don't know why. It just sounds better. Okay, tutorial card. We're going to. So we cannot drag it. Oh, I know why. Okay, there we go. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm just gonna stretch it up here. Then we're going to, yeah, then we're gonna make the play block. But first of all, let's just make it so that once the green flag is clicked, it just goes to the title screen. I'll just do. Oh wait, here, switch back, drop the title screen. Simple as that. Okay, then we're going to make the play block. Oh yeah, let's also hide the car because yeah, we don't want that to be shown on the front. So let's see, where's oh yeah, I haven't really done Scratch in a while. Like probably let's say probably a week or something. I don't know. I don't know. I haven't really been using it much. Okay. Now we're going to. Actually, wait. Let's test to make sure it works. Okay, that works. And then now let's just get started on the play block. Paint. You can just name this play. Okay. Yeah. No, I don't know. I just like also naming this. Like naming stuff. Okay. You know what? Let's just also make it green block. Not that big, but you know what? For now, let's just make it that big. Actually, fine. I'll shrink it a little. Wait, but this is good though. So now we're just gonna type play in front of it in black text because then if we just make it green text, you probably know what's gonna happen. It just you're not gonna be able to see it. Yeah, you want to make it like easy to read as well, of course. Now, okay, you stretch this out a little, and there we go. We got play. Okay, so now what we're going to do is that we're gonna go here. So let's just make it so when green flag click show, yeah, like that stuff. Yeah, so okay, when this sprite clicked, we're not, now what's gonna do is we're gonna switch costume to, oh shoot, not costume, sorry about that. Switch backdrop to map 1. So let's see, let's test this. Watch what's gonna happen. It's not, the play block is still gonna stay there. So actually, before we actually do that, I just realized, good thing I just thought of that. There we go. But now the problem is that the game still thinks that the car is supposed to be hiding. So then we're gonna do a broadcast command. So we're gonna broadcast. Yeah, we'll just use message 1. So I don't think we're using message 1 right now. Yep. Just making sure. When I receive message 1, then you're going to show like let's see. Oh wait. Oh yeah, sorry. Then you're just gonna hit show, and then yeah, and then you could set the coordinates actually to anything. The point. So I'll just set to, let's see, where is -253? Let's see. Oh, it takes me all the way over there. Yeah, you don't want that. Yeah, you really need to fix this. Okay. Yeah, just say like right there or something. I don't know. Now we're going to make it -180. Yeah, -180 for it, and then we're going to make it -26. Oh, shoot, that is not a number. Okay, there we go. Now that we have that, okay, let's set it to tutorial cart. Then now, boom. Now we have that. Okay, and another thing I'm going to do is that here. I'm just gonna hold off screen. I'm just gonna look at scratch card real quick because yeah, I forgot something. Like, I don't know why. Like, I just made sure. Like, I haven't really done the code. Like, that was like I was working on that code in like probably late October 2021. So I don't really remember much of that. So let's see. And I'm just digging for the code right now. I'm sorry about that. This is taking some time, but I need to check this. Okay. Let's see. That's weird. Must be something wrong with the code there. Okay. Yeah, this is really weird. Especially. Yeah. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's just do something else here. You know, let's just leave it like that for now. I'm sorry about that. But whatever. Okay, one thing, yeah, now we're gonna do is that, okay. Yeah. Let's just add some details to the map, I guess, for now. Actually, wait. I have an idea. So, yeah, we're gonna go to the backdrop and we're gonna add a lap counter because that's one important thing. You can make it any color. I'll just make it red. But just keep this in mind. If you're going to use that color in another map, if you make more maps, you're going to have to like change the color. I use like a lightish purple because I don't really use that color. So we're just gonna use red. Actually, I'll just do like, I guess that weird light lime green like that. Okay. So now we're gonna do that. We're gonna go into the code. So we're gonna do okay. So we're gonna do when so wait when backdrop switches to map one. Okay, forever command. Then if touching color. We're gonna do the touching color command because this will tell the game that if like the sprite touches the color, then something will happen. Then oh yeah, I forgot. We also need to make the variable. Make variable lapse. Okay. If touching more than chain. Wait, actually. And then okay. Wait a minute. Actually, let me just make sure. Let me test to see if this works. Also, because my friend Jane for Team 5DC taught me this method that like makes it that is like makes much more sense. I feel like. Okay. So wait until not touching it. Okay. Until wait until not. Actually, you know, I'll just duplicate this. Okay, let's test to see if this works now. So, oh, this actually does work. That's good. Okay, that is really cool. And the thing is, I actually haven't added that to my actual script, like the actual one. Okay, and to end it off for now, to end it off for today, we're just gonna make it so that if it reaches like certain amount of laps, um, and then like yeah, then it will stop the game. So let's go to let's see. Wait, where's oh yeah, there's set laps to 0. So like when you join, set laps to 0. Okay, it doesn't matter. You know, we'll keep that up there for now. Actually, fine. Let's add that somewhere. Go. Fine, right like that. So now it's set laps to 0. Okay, then let's grab another if command, if then block. And now we're going to if we're gonna get an equal command. We're gonna grab this, and let's just set to 5 for example. It depends on how many laps you're gonna want the game to have, like that the person has to drive. So yeah, and then we're gonna grab this block over here in the variable section. So now it says if laps equals 5, then blank. We're gonna add is that now the last thing that we're gonna do is just make it say stop all. So once the person drives 5 laps, the game ends. Now let's test that, and then we're gonna end it. Okay. So, oh yeah, forgot to also hit show variable. Oops, forgot about that. My bad. Okay, now let's test it. Okay, so we got one first lap. Yeah, I guess that's the thing that that is normal. Like it'll just automatically do that. If actually, sorry, no. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, one problem that I don't know how to do is if like you fall off. Usually I don't know. Like I tried making like respawn points for my maps, but that never worked. So yeah, you just respawn behind the finish line. And yeah, it stops all the issues that's delayed there. It's pretty weird, but whatever. And that's for it for today's video. Subscribe to T-Boy and Jane145DC. Also subscribe to Reggae Vids, of course, if you haven't already. And yeah, bye.